Kevin, 100% blind mechanic. We're working on this 97 Ford Ranger. As you see, someone has took tailgate panel out to access the tailgate stuff here. I'm gonna take this off there and see if I can investigate and see if they just popped loose or if it's something simple I can replace. Get the tailgate handle back working. Done got one screw out over there. Got this one right here. Done broke it loose. Take it out. The Torx. Let's see if it'll lift off now, if that was all the screws. Sure enough, I believe it was. Maybe. No, it seems like there's still one over here. I'll come back. Kevin Bond Mechanic, 100% Bond Mechanic. Trying to get the tailgate handle back up working. I'm assuming someone took the tailgate panel out so they could reach in here to the guide rod, or whatever you want to call those rods, to get the tailgate open. So, is there another freaking screw in this? There sure enough is, guys. I'll be back again. There was one on this side. Nope, I lied to you. There's two on this side. Peace. Blind like mechanic working on this tailgate. As you see, I've already made 2 videos because I thought I had all the bolts out. I did not. It has 6. Well, it was supposed to have 6. It only had 5. Let's see. Oh, look, magic! Magic! Now I'm going to investigate down in these depths. See what's going on there. See if I can get the tailgate handle back functioning. Kevin, blind local mechanic, working on this tailgate. Yeah, it's just one of the rods is just missing a nut. So I'm going to take this nut off, take it to the local store and see if I can find one. That's pretty fine thread. So, I don't know. I ain't got no quarter 20 nuts in my shop, but I don't think it's quarter 20. But take that one off, go to the local hardware store and see if I can find one. Peace, guys. Kevin, blind local mechanic, 100% blind mechanic. First, before we do anything, we're gonna make it really hard to work on. What the bazooka majonka? Where's that ass? We're gonna soak it and penetrate it. Love the smell. Oh, it tastes good too. Oh, my can's about out of juice. I'll have to show y'all how to put juice back in them, or air back in them. You can use an air compressor. Oh yeah, penetrate all up in there. Well, we're gonna switch positions so we can penetrate deeper. Oh yeah, put that goo all in there. Oh, we're almost there, guys. We're almost finished. In a pinch, you can put a dent in the can to increase internal pressure, which you've never seen that done before. And that didn't help a whole lot. Finished. All right, come back for the next video. Hey guys, Kevin Bond Mechanic. I've spent entirely too long on this tailgate. I got one side back functional. Yeah, it was zip ties. Where's it at? Right in there. Still can't get this other side functional. Something's wrong with the mechanism. It's not wanting to catch and move this side. So, abandoned mission, put the tailgate, not the metal part, but put the plastic tailgate cover back on. Call it good. Kevin, blind like mechanic. I have water all over me. So, back in on this tailgate. I fixed the driver's side. Yay! Zip ties, 2 zip ties. Nephew fixed this side over here. I think just 1 zip tie. I don't even want to touch it. I don't even want to film you. Don't y'all breathe on it. Anyway, I guess a demonstration would be nice. Tailgate closed. Tailgate up. Tailgate closed. Tailgate will not open without handle. Handle. Peace. Zip ties, yeah. Chastise me. Problem, guys. This plastic tailgate piece has like holes all in it, so I'm guessing about which hole to use. So